Right guys, how we all doing? Lovely little POV. How we all doing? Hope everyone's doing alright. It's a nice cold morning. I wanted to just say what's on my mind. I was watching a few electric car videos on YouTube yesterday, and oh wait, hang on a minute, let's put this mic on. Let's get this mic on real quick. Mate, it's bloody freezing. Alright, time is 6:46. Right, anyway, yeah, so I was watching a few electric car videos yesterday. I was just speaking to my my dad about it yesterday, and we were just saying it's pretty scary where the car industry, and you know, it's pretty scary where us car enthusiasts or petrol heads are going to end up with our current cars. You know what I mean? About the whole making the whole of England environmentally friendly, emission free. Yeah, it's just scary stuff, man. Like 10 years from now, we're in 2025, 10 years from now, 2035, mate, we've got to get rid of our cars, from what I've read. Hey, can you imagine every single petrol station just gone? Every single petrol and diesel car just gone. Mate, what's going to happen to all the classics? I'm talking about all the current cars now from like the 80s, the ones that have been restored, the ones from the 90s. What about all you know, the 3 litre petrol straight 6 or the V6s or the V8s, you know what I mean? All those proper cars. Where are they going to end up 10 years from now? And it's just a scary thought, man, because as of right now in life, I'm absolutely loving my car. Right, I love it to bits. And just the thought of it just, you know, sort of going, or just the thought of the UK government of increasing the car taxes or the car cost ownership, just to sort of in a way force me to pay so much money that I can no longer afford my car, to therefore somehow buy an electric car or an EV car. Mate, scary. It's one massive con, man. One massive con for the government to just get money out of us. This whole ULEZ thing in London and all the other cities, massive con. Mate, these electric vehicles, from what I've read, aren't built to last. Do you know what I mean? You know, there's not enough research into these electric batteries. Where do they get disposed of? You know, in the next sort of 5-10 years. Oh crap, my phone just fell. Where's that gone then? Bloody hell, where's my phone gone then? Oh, it's down there. But yeah, anyway, yeah, mate, it's just a scary thought. Obviously I ain't a fan of electric cars, personally. I'm not saying I don't like them, I'm just saying I'm not a fan. I just love, you know, your nice petrol car or diesel car, you know what I mean? And what was it, yesterday? I had like this weird experience at work. There was one of these director guys. I was on my break, on the way back from my break, just driving my car as you do. Driving to the car park, I was just sort of reversing, just parking my gap as you do. He made a comment of like, is it necessary for your car to be that loud when reversing? I'm like, hang on a minute, this is coming from a guy who's driving a bloody electric computer car on wheels, mate. Like, shut up. But mate, why are you making that comment towards me? I haven't even said anything to you, and you're saying that to me, or about my car. Mate, just shut up, go away. Go plug in your bloody electric car, will ya? Yeah, it's just a wind up. But yeah, it's back to the whole electric talk. Where's all the motorbikes going to go? Mate, all these like Harley Davidsons and I don't really know about any other motorbike brands because I don't really follow motorbikes, but my uncle, my uncle's got Harley Davidson and it sounds absolutely wicked. But there are all these motorbikes that are run on petrol. Where are they going to go? These lorries that run on diesels, you know, diesel. Where are they going to go? I haven't seen fully electric lorries yet. I haven't seen fully electric motorbikes. What's going on, mate? All these car manufacturers. It's crap. I've read like quite a few, bit of articles on these car manufacturers, and they're all sort of saying, they're all expected to reach a certain target regarding electric vehicle sales, or else they'll get fined like 15 grand per car or something like that. So all these car manufacturers, mate, they're just like, they're pumping out these electric vehicles, really promoting it, really trying to get you to buy one. For example, like there's that new BMW, what is it? Is it iX3 ICE or iX5 ICE? Or is it that Neue Class? Don't know how you pronounce it. Those models there, mate, fully electric BMWs. They're like massive 4x4 SUVs. And it's just, mate, it's not a BMW, man. It's not a BM. It's a electric 4x4 microwave on wheels, mate. I don't know, man. It makes me sad when I look at these electric vehicles. I'm just like, they're not cars, man. They're just, whenever I see any electric vehicle on the road, all I'm thinking is government getting money and car manufacturers just getting forced into making these electric vehicles because they have to. Not because they want to, because they have to. If this whole ULEZ and emission crap weren't in place, none of these car manufacturers would be releasing these electric vehicles, or unless you're Elon Musk, unless you're, Tesla. But mate, yeah, it's just, this little video is just more of a, not a rant. Like I said, I don't dislike electric vehicles, so if anyone who watches this, don't hate me, please. I'm just saying my opinion. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. Yeah, but like one of the main faults to this is you just can't beat a nice sounding engine, man. No matter what engine it is, whether it's a 3 litre or a 2 litre, 1.6, anything. Just hearing a nice petrol engine or a nice diesel engine. I know there's a massive debate on that, but tell you what, the 3 litre was it twin turbo diesels, when they're straight piped, mate, they sound like a jet, mate. I ain't gonna go that way, I'll go straight. Mate, they sound wicked. But yeah, anyway, yeah, these electric vehicles, mate, they ain't got no like soul, or as my, they ain't got no soul or character. It's literally, the technology is all cool and all, it's all fine, it's all proper modern, futuristic, great, whatever. As soon as you're used to it, it's just, it's just my computer, it's just my technology, it's nothing new. You're used to it, then what? The car's got nothing else to offer. And what I say is, people who buy these electric vehicles, mate, they're not like proper enthusiasts, are they? They're like your typical average Joe or Dave, mate, or like, getting A to B. That's all they care about. All they care about is plugging their car in at home and then just driving to work A to B and be done with it. Not like us petrol heads, mate. I'd put in 30 quid petrol, I'd drive the hell out of it, rinse the petrol, top it up again and drive. Do you know what? Because I love it, mate. I love this car, love petrol. But yeah, man, it's just, I don't know. I don't really know where I'm going with this video. Yeah, it's just talking about electric vehicles, mate. And as well, obviously I know there's like other professional, like long researched videos out there. on electric vehicles, but mate, I live on a main road, right? I live on townhouses? Is it tourist houses? No, townhouses, where you've got flight of stairs. Live on a main road, mate. It's a nightmare. Can you imagine? It's a nightmare to park, mate. Literally, you can see from my previous videos. Every single time, my car is parked in a different place because I live on a main road. Mate, I could park all the way up the street, all the way down the street. And you think 2035, 2030, there's going to be electric charging points in people's houses? Yeah, nah, sorry, can't do it. Oh nah, but James, there's going to be, very fast public chargers out there. Sod that, mate. I ain't going into a petrol garage and fighting over a charging point. You know what I mean? I'm not going to sit. It's just, you just can't beat going to a petrol station, putting your fuel in, starting the engine, see you later. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're the king, queen. King, queen. I mean, I don't care if you are prime minister, the bloody anyone, whoever, right? You just can't beat just putting your car, just topping up some petrol and diesel and be done with it. I know that there's all these rapid chargers and fast chargers. What? How long's that? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? Not everyone wants to wait don't mean to swear. Not everyone wants to bloody wait 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Let's turn on the heating real quick. Bloody hell, it's cold. Yeah, no one wants to wait 5-10 minutes. Until, I'm not even going to say until, because I'm not going to get an electric vehicle, simple as. But I can understand people's perspective, who also live on the main road. Oh yeah, of that putting them off. I know that there's the whole chance of the whole point of, oh yeah, I'm going to wait till electric charging points are going to be rapid. That's when they'll consider about buying an electric vehicle. But I don't know. I love petrol, I love diesel, I love how basic my car is. You just get in it, ain't got no, hello James, how are you, would you like to change the bloody neon lights of my grille or my headlight or my, I don't know, mate. It's like a video game, mate. It's like getting on my gaming PC, playing a bit of GTA, you know what I mean? Customising everything and anything you want. It's all cool and all in a game. But in IRL, man, I don't know, it's just too much tech, too much things that could go wrong. And most people who get these electric vehicles as well, they just get it on the knob. They get, what is it, like 80, 90 grand? Or 70, 60, 50 grand? What is it, they get it on lease or whatever? Oh yeah, so far, yeah, my electric vehicle. Oh, I just trade it in for, just swap it out for a brand new electric vehicle in the next 2-3 years. Yeah, great. This car, mate, I'm keeping for years. But like I said, this ain't me hating against electric vehicles. It's just, it was just on my mind, that's all. And yeah, I was just pretty scared of just like where us car enthusiasts are going to end up, with our current petrol and diesel vehicles, Who knows? But even if they were to just, as much as I don't want to say, even if they were to just increase the car tax price each month to carry on owning our petrol cars, that would be better than Keir Starmer or whoever in charge at the time saying, nah mate, get rid of every single petrol and diesel car and that is it. But yeah, I was also saying to my dad, all these massive fuel companies like Shell, BP, and a few other, obviously, billion-pound companies. Where are they going to go, mate? Where are they going to end up? Oh, see you later, mate. We're no longer having your fuel anymore. You got to make an electric charging bay somehow. I don't know, mate. I don't know. I haven't really done that much research because it don't interest me. But I do a bit of research to the point of where I'm like, I want to know what's sort of going on a little bit. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, this is just, as I was saying, it's not no hate against electric vehicles. One thing I do love about electric vehicles is the instant torque, the instant power. Obviously the acceleration part, yeah, that's amazing. But I just can't go over the fact of there just being no sound. There's no character, there's no soul to it, mate. Obviously, I know that some of these electric vehicles, mate, they've got these built-in speakers. I've seen it. They've got these built-in speakers. They'll go onto their screen. They'll be like, I want V10 noises. Click on V10. They'll be bloody accelerating in their electric vehicle, whatever. And you'll be hearing V10 noises coming out their speakers. Or you'll be hearing bloody V10 noises coming out of their exhaust. Using these active speakers built into the rear part of their vehicle. Like, it's just crazy. But yeah, man. I just wanted to say as well, a bit random, I just wanted to say a big thank you to every single one of you guys who are watching these videos. I weren't expecting anyone to click on the video, let alone comment and like. I've been uploading quite a few shorts recently, and they seem to be doing actually, you know, pretty well. Hopefully we can make this whole YouTube document, YouTube journey, I don't know, slash POVs or whatever, into something, do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's a nice Lupo in front, love one of those. I had a little, I know it wasn't a Lupo, but it was a Mark 4 Polo, I believe. I think it was a Mark 4. It's a Polo 9N I had, it was the exact same shape as that, but it was the Polo. It had the same 4 headlights at the front. Mate, that was a wicked car. It was a little 1.2, I was swinging it round corners, booting it. It weren't going nowhere, but it felt quick at the time, and that was the main thing. Yes. I know some of these videos is going to be me just talking about stuff. Other videos it's going to be just strictly